Is your Android phone running out of space, feeling slow and cluttered? Meet Smartphone Cleaner, the ultimate solution for a faster, cleaner and safer phone. Quick Clean. With just one tap, instantly remove junk files and instantly free up valuable storage. WhatsApp Cleaner. Free up space effortlessly by removing unnecessary images, videos and audio files. Duplicate File Cleaner. Find and delete duplicate files to free up even more storage space. Malware Protection. Stay safe with advanced protection that keeps your device secure from threats. Private Browser. Browse securely and privately with our built-in private browsing feature. File Manager. Organize and manage all your file categories in one convenient place. App Lock. Safeguard your personal apps and keep your sensitive data protected. Hibernate Apps. Put unused apps to sleep, saving battery and improving overall phone performance. Smartphone Cleaner is your all-in-one Android optimization tool. Download now and enjoy a cleaner, faster and more secure phone today.